Hello guys, I'm Detective Chacha. And my things always fall. So I'm just gonna put it.
Jangan pelan-pelan ngomong. Halo guys, ini saya punya atas baru.
I have my sample. And I have this to take you out. I'm Spy Detective Agent Chacha. But I'm not a prisoner actually. So let's do this. This is my things to catch bugs, you see? And also to catch some things like that. Yeah. And these are my samples. Because I'm a detective spy. I'm not really a detective spy, I just want to play. And here I'm gonna put it right over here. And then
Sambil
have this
makan,
whistle.
ayo. Sambil makan sayang.
Also going to eat, so maybe I'll not talk also. No. Not also. Except it's quite bigger. Over here. Now this. We do this. Yeah, like that. And you put this so we can do this. Next. To write some notes. And now to stamp. This is another stamp. Oh, yeah. To stamp also. But you need to put it on your hands. This to catch some food because I'm a play spy. To catch some food if they don't use it. This to write. And since it's my spy detective way back. I don't like it like gold. Something is what I like gold. I like that. I like gold. I like okay, and now I'm just going to put everything back inside. I'm just going to rip it up right off so it will not feel a little long. Next
Yang
thing.
bener yang cepat. Jangan suara babi. Ntar itunya takut yang lihatnya. Bahkan tuh Pak, udah dirapiin.
Udah kasih ini siangin ya? Iyalah, gitu.
Tanyanya yang kurang itu yang panjang itu, yang besar itu kurang, tambahin 2.
Oh, kalian tambah-tambahin?
Kan tinggal 1 doang. Yang di atas tuh masih Pak. Tapi ada suket-suket itu Pak. Ntar kalau yang rusak dibuang boleh nggak Pak?
Boleh, boleh.
Tapi ada tanahnya tuh Pak. Taruhnya di mana tanahnya?
Taruh aja dipenuh-penuhin di pot yang lain. Nggak apa-apa, satu pot
Bunganya juga udah bagus
Iya.
di atas.
ditaruh di satu pot aja, tanah yang lebih-lebihnya dikumpulin.
Kalau yang alumnya yang udah alum dipotongin, terus tumbuh lagi. Kan sekarang tumbuhnya bagus. Cacanya bilang sih Pak, di bawah
Karena nggak
enggak.
pernah tersiram itu kali ya.
Thanks for watching the funny discovery.